Hello riders, fellow riders, and soon-to-be riders. We're here at Peterson's Harley-Davidson on 441 south of Ives Dairy Road on the west side of the street. We have Liz, our marketing director, on the Jumpstart, and she is getting ready to ride one of our Street Rod 750s. This is only her second time on this bike. She's showing us how to experience riding a motorcycle when you don't have your motorcycle license. It's a lot of fun, and it gives you the feeling of riding. So if you want that experience, come on down. We have the Jumpstart out 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. Every Saturday, starting at 11 a.m., we have a barbecue. We usually have either the Bikini Bike Wash Girls or we have a band playing. So come on out, experience some fun here at Peterson's Harley-Davidson. Our address is 19400 Northwest 2nd Avenue. My name is Bob Pavey. Mike is behind the camera, and Liz, our marketing director, who has all the fun events on Saturday, is riding our Jumpstart. So come on out and meet us all.